Ew, how is that dirty already? I did another order from The Ordinary. I got more stuff that I've already mentioned in a past video, which I will link down below. But I did get a couple of new things. I got 5 new things. I was gonna do like an unboxing, but I thought I'd use them for a little bit and then talk about them. I love all of them. So I'm just gonna be talking about the 5 products that I have tried out and that are new to me. First one is the 100% cold pressed Marula oil. It's so great. Like, it feels so like slippery on unlike any oil I've ever put on my face. I'm not a huge oil user. I think I've mentioned that in a past video. I don't really like using oils on my face because I'm so oily, and I know I've heard people like, oh, if you're oily, that means that like you need to put more oil on your face, it'll stop the production. That is not a thing. It sits on your skin, it doesn't absorb, it doesn't help oil production, it doesn't stop it. You have an extra oily face. I hate that. Okay. Anyway, so I put this on before bed. I wouldn't put it on during the day just because of what I just said. I have a really oily face. But I put this on before bed and I wake up and my complexion is so clear and beautiful and even. I actually noticed a difference with that one. It actually like smooths out my wrinkles and stuff, which is like crazy. So the next one I have is the Squalane 100%. Okay. 100% plant-derived squalane. Is that how you say it?
Squalane.
This is for, so yeah, the oil is for hydration. That's what they say it's for, I believe. It's for hair and skin. So I actually did try it on my hair and I put it just on the ends, but it made it very oily looking. So I wouldn't recommend doing that, but maybe if you have really, really curly hair, that might be a great thing to use. So this, it says it's for, for surface hydration. This I used, I really like this. I haven't used it enough to notice if it's helping with keeping hydration in my skin, but I like that one. There's nothing that I dislike about it thus far. Next I have the, let's see, I should probably read it first before I show you guys. The Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA Moisturizer. So yeah, this is simply a moisturizer. There's not much more to say about it other than it's a moisturizer. There's not very much comes in the bottle. It's kind of upsetting. I think this bottle has the same amount as this jar does, but I don't know. I feel like just because it's in a squeezy tube, you use a little bit more than you would from the dropper. So I'm going through this like way quicker than I have any of these dropper kinds. I really like this though. I think you can get it in a bigger bottle. I'll do that next time, but it's probably nice to have it in this size actually because it's great to try out. I really like this so far. Like I just said, it's very moisturizing. I have only used it at night though, so I don't know how it would be under makeup. It might be a little greasy. Next I got the Magnesium Ascorbyl Phosphate 10%. It says it's a brightening hydrator. I love this. I've seen a huge difference in my skin using this. I put it on like whenever. If I take my makeup off, like at any point of the day, I've put this on, and I've put it on at night as well. And it really does brighten your skin. It evens skin tone like no other. And last but not least, I have the sunscreen, and I got that in SPF 30 because I am a ginger and I need that. I need more than 30, but that's the maximum that they give. This is actually my favorite facial sunscreen I've ever used. I bought like a fairly nice one from Neutrogena, and I bought another one from somewhere else. I don't know, but it was also expensive. And they're both greasy and they're weird and they sit weird on your makeup, or they're like white cast is like, oh. This one, it does have like a fair amount of the whiteness, but when you really like rub it in, it goes away. Or at least on me, it looks okay. It might not be okay if you have darker skin. Compared to my Neutrogena one with the like crazy white cast, this is like way better. And it doesn't leave that oily or like powdery feel on your face after. It feels really good. And also it comes in a bigger bottle than these guys, which is nice. I still have quite a bit left. So yeah, that is all I got in this past order. I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna try as much as I can from them, and they're coming out with new things. They actually got like a new bee oil, which I was gonna buy, but I didn't. I might next time. I just love The Ordinary, and I can't say enough good things about them. They're just so affordable and so great, and they work so well. Let me know if you guys have tried anything from The Ordinary, and if you've tried any of these and you like them or you don't like them. I want to know what you guys have to say. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, please don't give me a thumbs down. And yeah, if you want to see more videos by me, please subscribe.